My dear brothers and sisters, part of following the Lord will not be always a fluid response or a fluid assent to His call to each of us. Lahat naman ng mga tinatawag ni Jesus ay may mga kanya-kanyang mga pagdadahilan na tinatawag nga natin. I myself, when I felt that the Lord indeed was calling me to the priesthood, would have or have had enumerated many excuses, shall I say. Paano naman po ang aking mga magulang? How will my future be? Sayang naman, no? Biro lang po, no? Paano na lang yung aking magiging haharapin? Paano na lang po yung mga pwede kong maging pangarap? A lot of excuses I do have enumerated in front of Him. In the course of Jesus and His disciples were able to express a lot of excuses, shall we say. We will follow you, Lord, but let me bury my father. Let me follow you, Lord, but I will have to say farewell to my family and loved ones. Let me follow you, Lord, and let me look back first. Before then, I will follow you, Jesus. And such story and such experience, my dear brothers and sisters, would like to teach us that following Jesus will not be about bearing our excuses, but with full dependence on Him. Kinakailangang bitawan ang mga dahilan ng mga ito para sundin si Jesus na ating Panginoon. We remember Saint Therese of Lisieux today. And Saint Therese entered and heeded the call of Christ to be her nun, to be a Carmelite sister without ifs and buts. At the early age of 15, she entered Carmel, bid her farewell to her family and friends. At the early age, she taught us not to hold on to excuses, but to hold on in dependence on God. Hindi sa mga pagdadahilan, pero sa totoong pagkapit at pagtitiwala sa Diyos. At the early age, she lived a cloistered life with a lot of difficulties with the sisters around him. During her life as a Carmelite nun, she experienced a lot of suffering because of her own weaknesses and sinfulness. But such things were not excuses for her to follow Jesus. What reigned in the heart of Therese was not excuses, but dependence on God. Jesus and Saint Therese, my dear brothers and sisters, would like to teach us, follow Jesus not with your excuses, but with dependence on Him. Sa pagtitiwala at sa pagkapit sa Diyos, magiging dalisay ang ating pagsunod at hahayaan natin na sa pagkalimot ng mga dahilan na ito, depending on God, will take a flow a lot of graces and a lot of blessings for our lives.